everyone, Sam for the Body Center here, coming to you from the inside of this BMW M2 competition pack. Now this is a Norwich City football player's vehicle, but I haven't actually got confirmation that I can name this player as of yet in this video. I have dropped him a message, so hopefully later on in the video I will reveal whose car this is. Now unfortunately, this vehicle ran into a deer, caused quite a lot of damage, needs a new bumper, new headlight, snapped all the water coolers, put some damage onto the wing. So, as usual, I want to show you guys throughout this whole process. Let's get into the strip and fit and start this job. See you soon. So, we're now in the strip and fit stage. As you've seen, Nelly's removed a load of the damaged parts. We've now replaced the water cooler. We're now going to strip the car down, ready to move to the panel shop so Matthew can start the repair on the wing. So we're now in the panel shop with Matthew. He's now going to beat out the damage, remove the paintwork to apply a small skim of filler. Over to Matthew. So, as you've seen so far, Matthew's beaten the metal back into shape, put the skim and filler in, now ready for the dolphin glaze over the top to get rid of the pinholes. Great job, Matthew. So, Matthew's finished in the panel shop. He's repaired the areas necessary. We're now up to Danny in the prep shop, who's going to prep the areas down and put some primer over the filler. Let's go, over to Danny again. So the primer's been applied, the primer's then been rubbed down, the rest of the panels have been prepped up ready for the paint application. We're now going through into the mask up stage where David, can't really say his nickname because it's quite rude for our YouTube channel, But yeah, David is now masking it up, ready to get it in the booth, bagged up, over to Adam or Ollie, don't know who's going to paint it yet, to apply the paint. But it's not actually Adam on the gun today. Adam's in prep. We went over to Ollie. Ollie's applied the base coat. We're now waiting for that to dry, so we need to put the lacquer on. Let's go see what Ollie's up to. We've got David in here changing the filters in booth 2, ready for the next one to go in. Causing a mess. Jake now stripping a bonnet. Where is Ollie? Don't know where he is, can't find him, but let's go have a look in booth 3, see what he's doing. So we've got a set of brake calipers. All now primed up, flashing off, ready for the paint to be applied. These ones were bad. Jake didn't like prepping these ones. They were in a bad condition. Now, if anyone's wondering why my glasses are completely on the wonk, a broken nose tab, waiting for new ones to come in. I'm so wonky. Right, I don't know where Ollie is, but we'll go find him, see what he's up to. Has been complete. Ollie laid a lovely coat down using some Speed Secker 480 high-tech line. Looks awesome. So we're now going to hand over to Nelly, who's going to piece the vehicle back together with all the parts, ready to move to the valet bay to finish off QC, hand over to the customer. So the BMW M2 is now complete. Looks brilliant, back to exactly how it should be after hitting the deer. Now, as I explained at the start of the video, this car does belong to a football player. This is owned by Jamal Lewis. He gave me authority to give his name a shout out in the video. He's a Norwich City football player, soon to be a Premier League football player, also an international player. Now, we're all now finished. We're now going to take it back down to the training ground, hand it over, and I think he's going to be pretty happy. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe on all our social media pages. See you next time.